Computer Programming for Beginners Level 2 will teach you about data structures and collections in computer programming and build up your Python and JavaScript programming skills. My name is Rob and I have a 4-year IT degree and have landed 2 high-paying tech jobs in New York City. I've even been interviewed by Google. I have over 2 years of work experience as a professional software engineer and 2 years as a virtual reality engineer. By the end of this course, you will have a thorough understanding of data structures and collections, understand how to work with them in Python and JavaScript, and have 2 hands-on applications we developed using the skills taught in this course. In this course, you will learn about data structures, arrays, lists, dictionaries, tuples, and sets. I will walk you step by step through building a Tic Tac Toe application in Python and a rock, paper, scissors web app using JavaScript. We will program the UI, handle user input, and even write some AI code to allow the computer to play against us. This course is perfect for beginners who want to learn more about programming or who want to build their Python and JavaScript skills through hands-on programming. Thanks for watching my promo video, and I hope to see you in the course. If you want to explore this course further, you are welcome to watch the free preview videos to see if this course is the right fit for you.